Here's my IKEA greenhouse. I will show you my caudexes. I used to keep it in my garage. It gets pretty cold at night. Usually these caudex is supposed to go dormant. But this year I tried this IKEA greenhouse to see it's working. I live in Los Angeles. The weather is pretty dry. So I really need greenhouse. So I bought this IKEA greenhouse this year, and I moved all my caudexes indoor. And look at this, these leaves, they didn't go to dormant. They're thriving in the IKEA greenhouse. It's really working. Okay, this one, I have a Stephania suberosa. Both of them are suberosa. And this one, the more round leaves, this one is Stephania nova. I think these leaves can go bigger. It's gonna be really cool. And this one, oh, wait a minute, I forgot the name for a second. This one is Pachypodium gracilis. Yeah, I love my IKEA greenhouse. If you live it in a dry area, you should get this one, and you can keep your plants, humid loving plants, in the IKEA greenhouse. It's perfect. I spray them maybe every day, and it seems fine.